Big Safe.
Fat Man Scoop, Brooklyn Clan. What's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. And right now, you watching the sensei, the number one, the king, my dude, Big Brando. He taught me, personally, me, Fat Man Scoop. All you gotta do is keep your mouth closed and your ears open. Listen to the man talk. That's knowledge personified right there. And I wouldn't trust nobody else but my dude, Big Brando. And I said it. Fat Man Scoop, Big Brando. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today let's talk about navigating my channel and finding the information that you want. Now, are you having a hard time navigating my channel, finding the information that you want, finding the information you need, or maybe you have a question for me, but you're embarrassed because you don't know if I already made a video about that? And it could be everything from how to get your wholesale license, what's the best equipment to buy, what's the best equipment for a beginner, how do I make sales, how do I process payments, what's your marketing strategy like? What's the best type of transfers to use? What's the best type of transfers to use for a beginner? Do I really need a vinyl cutter? Whatever the question is, if you want to know if I made a video about it and you're looking for that information, the YouTube search bar is going to be your best friend. And this works for any influencer, YouTuber out there. But if you were looking through my channel and you notice that I got hundreds of videos and you don't want to scroll through all those videos, all you have to do is go to the YouTube search bar and type in Big Brando and then whatever you wanted to know right after that. So for example, if you did Big Brando heat press, every video that I've done about a heat press will pop up. If you did Big Brando transfers, or let's say you wanted to know how a certain transfer washed and you wanted to see what the quality looked like and the durability looked like, I have wash test results on my channel also. All you have to do is type in Big Brando Supacolor wash test, Big Brando EconoPuff wash test, or Big Brando Transfer Express wash test. I do my best at tagging the videos and titling the videos appropriately so you guys can find them. Now, with that being said, I also put together some playlists for anybody that wanted all the information in one place. So if you wanted to make your brand legit and you wanted to know what's the cheapest and easiest way to legitimize your business and get your wholesale license, your reseller permit, I have it laid out for you. And I think the playlist is called Going Legit, and every video in there will walk you through the whole process. Now, let's say you are a beginner, brand new to the game, you're just doing your research, you don't know if you want to get into this business or not. I have a whole series dedicated to you already put together in the playlist. That playlist is called Back to Basics, and it breaks down everything start to finish, every single piece of information that I have for you broken down into separate videos. And it's everything from equipment to blank t-shirts to transfers to pricing to marketing. Everything is laid out for you. Watch that whole playlist in order and you'll have a better idea on how I run my business. Now, let's say you already have all your equipment and you're already ready to get into this business, but you're a little stuck on how to get started and you wanted to see how I run my brand. I have a playlist already made also for that. It's called Starting from Scratch, and I show you the whole thing from beginning to end. How I fund the brand, how I come up with the name, some of my concepts, how I'm getting sales, how I fulfill the orders, transfers I'm using, all of that stuff curated in a playlist for you also. So if you are brand new to my channel, or if you're brand new to this t-shirt business, highly recommend using the YouTube search bar if you have any questions. And if no videos pop up for the questions you have, leave the questions in the comments for me. That way I could see your question, I could possibly make a video about it, and I could find an answer for you. Because I know getting into this business can be very overwhelming. So I tried to make it easy for everybody by making these playlists and making these series of videos for you guys. So remember, the YouTube search bar is gonna be your best friend. That works for myself and it works for any other YouTuber influencer out there. All you gotta do is hit the search bar with Big Brando and then whatever you wanna know. All of the videos will pop up and then you can just start scrolling from there. After you're done with that, make sure you check out the playlist that I made for you guys. Back to Basics is a very good one for any beginner because it goes through everything in great detail. Starting from Scratch is a good playlist because that series has everything that I do for a brand. Those videos might seem like they're old, but it's all the same stuff that I do now. Same marketing strategies, same way of printing and pressing t-shirts, same way I fulfill orders, same thought process when it comes to designs. Everything is still the same. Those are basically my rules that I live by whenever I start and operate and run a brand. And if you wanted to go legit with your brand, check that one out too. Everything from getting a DBA to getting your tax ID, EIN, getting your business license, and getting your wholesale license or reseller permit, whatever you want to call it. And that playlist is made for you to legitimize your business for the cheapest way possible. And it's 100% legit. All right, after watching this video, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.